Check out this Ford 2017 Taurus SHO. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include navigation system, roof, power moon, roof, power sunroof, roof sun moon, all-wheel drive, seat heated driver, leather seats, seats air-conditioned heated and power driver seat. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.